Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to reduce Facebook ads. Open your Facebook app. Then you need to tap on these three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and tap on the settings option under the settings and privacy option. Scroll down again and now you can find this ad preferences option under the ads. So just tap on it. So here you can see the ads that are shown to you regularly. Now you need to tap on this hide ads button to hide them. After that you can reduce Facebook ads CPMs to some extent. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.